Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about that how can we style the list in CSS. Okay, there are the two lists, the ordered one and unordered. So we're gonna style both of these lists. So in this video we're gonna learn about the list style image, list style position, and the list style type. Alright, so let's just go to the VS Code and see how can we style our list. Alright, I have already created the two lists. One is ordered and the second one is unordered. We are only here to style the list. Okay, so for styling the list we gonna use a style element. For styling the order list, I want to style list style type first. We have the bunch of different styles, so you're gonna try these different styles if you want. For now I'm just going to go with the lower Roman, and in unordered list I want to go with this. Alright, so let me just run this. So if I just go with the square, you will see the square here. I think we are good with the decimal, which is pretty default. You can apply all of these different styles on the ordered list and as well as the unordered list, but you have to be careful with these things. So I'll be going here with the circle. I think it's really pretty cool. So we have the list style tab. Now we're gonna use the position. Okay, so we have the inside. Okay, we have the list position outside. When you use the outside, it is kind of similar to the default position, but when you use the inside, it does have the different position. This is how you position the list. Alright, so you can also use the list style image. For that you have to use the URL and then you have to provide the URL of the image. So let me just save it again. Alright, we are having a kind of trouble here that you have to make sure that your image size is quite small so that it could be used as a list, item marker. So you have to make sure that its size must be smaller. Alright, so for now I'm just deleting this because it is kind of inconvenient to use this right now. Alright, so we are good here. I guess I want to give a background color to my order list, so it would be light coral, and I also want to give a background color. It would be brown. Alright, so these are the two different colors. Now you can also give the color to the list element. Okay, we have given color to the OL and UL element. You can also give styling to the specifically the list element, and for that what you need to do is OL li. Okay, this is how you can give styling to the list element specifically. I would like to use the background color white smoke color, add some margins here, and I also have to add some padding. That would be 10 px. So this is how you can style specifically the item of the list. You can do the same thing in unordered list. Okay, let me just give it a different color for here. It would be Bollywood. Okay, this is how you can style the item of the list. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.